What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. And as you can plainly see, this is not going to be a Jason video, but yet a Freddy Krueger video. Now, I've been kind of toying with the idea for a little while to actually make a Freddy Krueger costume. And being as I had most of the stuff already, the next logical step was to put it all together and see what I can come up with. So currently this is what I have, and it is a work in progress, and I'm really excited to see what the final result is going to look like. I still need to do a little bit of work to the glove, along with the shirt and hat, but I think it's coming along pretty good. Now, so far I really haven't spent a whole lot of money on this costume, and the biggest purchase I actually had to do was the mask. Now, this is a Freddy Part 4 mask from Trick or Treat Studios, and I did get it on sale for around 50 bucks. It was just such a good deal, I couldn't pass it up. So, is Freddy Krueger something that you guys would like to see on my channel? Or should I just say forget it and just stick with the Jason stuff? Let me know down below. Alright everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.